Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our acupuncture students or even practitioners from the Philippines. Today, we shall have yin-yang theory for the review. This is 100 questions. And we are very honored to have with us, joining us from the Philippines, from Manila, Sampaloc, Manila, Ma'am Trix Guevara. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Okay, can we do
Good
this?
everyone.
Okay, ready. What was the primary source of energy for agricultural China 4,000 to 5,000 years ago?
It's sunlight.
In yin-yang observation, cloudy sky indicates which type of day?
The yin day.
A sunny day is classified as which type of day in yin-yang theory?
Yang.
During which season does energy recede downward?
Winter.
During which season is energy described as moving upward?
The summer.
Depression is classified as a disease of which element?
The depression. It's yin.
In Chinese feng shui, a house's front door should ideally face which direction?
The south
Yes. Does your
direction.
house?
I'm not sure.
Sige, you check it. Basta hindi lang sa north. Okay. When facing south, which direction is on the left according to the Yellow Emperor's classic?
The east is
Yes.
on
Which gender is described as predominantly yang?
male.
Okay. Which gender is described as predominantly yin? So, ibig sabihin, meron pa rin pagka-yang, no? Okay. So,
Yes.
of course, if you're, yeah. So, predominantly yin is what?
The female.
Yes. In yin-yang correspondence, the left side of the body is associated with which quality?
Yang.
The yang.
Okay. In yin-yang correspondence, the right side of the body is associated with which quality?
Yin.
Yin. According to the theory, the front of the body is more blank in nature.
Yin.
Yin. Okay.
Yin.
Okay. Sir Rogelio, lakasan nyo ha. Bilisan nyo. The back or dorsal side of the body is more blank in nature.
More yang.
Yes. Siyempre, yin na nga yung front, yung likod niya.
Yes.
The top portion of the body corresponds to which element?
Yang.
Yes.
Yang.
The bottom portion of the body corresponds to which element?
Yin.
Which acupuncture point is considered the strongest yang point?
Do 20.
Yes, very good. So you have to sedate it. When you sedate, you go opposite the direction of the flow, no? So, especially when you are so galit, high blood pressure, use the gua sha. Kaya, when Mom Trix suggested the idea of using gua sha to regulate blood pressure, you know, also to grow my hair. Yeah.
Yes. For growing the hair.
Meron kang i-share, Sir Rogelio?
Wala na, Doc.
Huwag
Diba,
ka
Doc,
mahiya. Share ka na. Okay, where is Do 20 located on the body? Saan, Sir Rogelio?
Do 20.
Nasaan?
Crown of the head.
The most young
Crown of
part.
the head.
Yes.
Crown.
Crown of the head, of course. Which acupuncture point? So if Do 20 is the strongest yang point, what is the strongest yin point?
Kidney.
Kidney
Kidney
1.
1.
Yes. Where is kidney 1 located?
The foot.
Correct the
Soul.
foot.
Okay.
Sole of the foot, just below the ball of the foot.
Yes. Points above which anatomical landmark are generally more young in nature. So may landmark tayo, ha?
Waist.
Yeah.
What's the
Yeah.
answer?
Waist.
Waist. Okay. Do
Sacral.
20 is also known by which nickname? My nickname ang Do 20.
Sea of Yang.
Of course. The exterior of the body is classified as which quality? Exterior, huh?
Yang.
Yang. Interior of the body is classified as which quality?
Yin.
Okay. In Chinese medical theory, solid organs are considered which element?
Yin.
Yin. Which of the following is a solid organ?
Liver.
Liv.
Okay. Do you agree? Of course. Liver,
Hmm.
solid yan. Correct ba? Do you have any other answer, Ma'am Trix?
All of all of the above.
Oh my God. Walang choice, all of the above. Okay, hollow organs are classified as which element?
Yang.
Okay. Which of the following is a hollow organ?
Stomach.
Yes. Tama. Yes, tama. Hui Yin, the meeting of yin, is located at which part of the body?
Perineum.
Yes. Oh, yung favorite point ni ano. Parang nandyan si Sir.
Di ba CB1 yun?
Okay. So kung may
Ay,
Hui Yin,
tama ba ako?
oo. Yes, favorite point.
CB1.
Meron pang isa, Hui Yang. The meeting of the yang is located near which anatomical landmark?
Coccyx. Tip of the tailbone.
Yeah, coccyx, tip of tailbone. Where our tail was supposed to be, kaya lang naging tao tayo, so wala ng tail. Anything on the front side of Ren 1 is considered more blank than yang.
Yin.
Yin. Tama ba? Okay. Anything dorsal, ito pala yung landmark, no? Dorsal to bladder 35 is considered more blank than yin.
Yang.
So kung dorsal sa bladder 35, more, ano answer?
More yang.
Yeah. The traditional yin-yang shape is also called what?
Tai Chi.
Okay. When yang is more present, yin, what happens to the yin?
Lessened.
Yes, lessen. Which four acupuncture points are referred to as the four gates?
Okay. LI4 and
Your
liver.
favorite.
LI4 liver.
Okay. Amazing, no? Saan na ba? Nawala na tuloy. Okay. Which tissue is closest to the inside of the body?
Yin.
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 Which tissue is closest? Which tissue is closest to the outside of the body?
The yang.
Yes. In Chinese medicine, the medial side of an arm is considered more.
Yin.
Yes, medial side. The lateral side of an extremity is associated with which principle?
Yang.
How many total channels are there to learn in the course?
15.
Yeah. How many of the 15 channels are considered main channels?
12.
Which of the following is a hand yin channel?
The lung.
Which channel runs from the hand to the head and face on the dorsal side?
And
To the head.
yang.
Alin?
Yang Ming. Hand.
Yeah, hand yang ming. This is actually the large intestine channel, no? Which foot channel goes from the face or head to the foot along the lateral aspect?
Foot yang.
Yeah, the foot yang ming, the stomach. No? Where do the yang channels of the hand meet the yang channels of the foot?
The head or face.
Okay. Kaya effective i-manipulate ang face. Okay.
Yes.
Where do the yin channels of the hand meet the yin channels of the foot?
The chest.
Okay. Yin of the hand. Okay. Which organ is associated with the hand tai yin channel?
The lung.
Okay. When you say tai, that's greater yin. Kaya
Yin.
madaling magpa-phlegm ang lung, no? Yin na yin. The hand yang ming channel corresponds to which organ?
Li.
Large intestine. Okay. Which foot channel is linked to the spleen?
Tai yin.
Okay. Foot tai yin. So kamag-anak ni lung, according to the six channel theory, si spleen. Okay.
Yin.
The hand shao yin channel is related to which organ? Hand shao yin. Okay.
The heart.
Yeah, the heart. That means it's lesser yin. So ibig sabihin madali siyang maging very sensitive siya sa heat, no?
Yes.
Kasi konti lang yung yin niya, very lesser yin. Which channel runs through the small intestine?
And yang.
Okay, hand taiyang. The foot taiyang channel corresponds to which organ?
The bladder.
Yes. Which organ is linked to the foot shaoyin channel?
The kidney.
So si hand shaoyin, si heart, foot shaoyin, si kidney. Okay.
Kidney.
Okay, makes sense. Kaya when you do gua sha, pag inayos mo si hand shaoyin, naayos, or pwede mo
The
ayusin
foot.
si foot shaoyin,
Shift.
you also affect the hand shaoyin. Okay. Sorry. The hand shui-yin channel is associated with which organ?
Pericardium.
Yes. The hand shao-yang channel corresponds to which concept?
Tanjiao. Triple burn.
Yeah, hand shao-yang. Which foot channel is linked to the gallbladder?
Foot. Shao.
Yes. The foot shui-yin channel is associated with which organ?
Liver.
Yes. When the palms face the legs, which finger represents anterior yin?
Thumb.
Okay. Which toe represents posterior yang?
The little toe.
Yeah, little toe. Which finger marks the dividing line between yin and yang on the hand?
Middle.
Middle finger.
Middle.
The skin on the palm is more blank in nature than the back of the hand.
Yin.
Yin. According to yin-yang theory, chewing and digestion are considered blank activities.
Considered yang.
Yeah. Which of the following foods can cause a yang excess when overeaten?
Spicy.
Yes. A common emotional cause of yang excess is
Anger.
which treatment method is described as the fastest way to sedate a yang excess?
Bloodletting.
Which external evil is considered a yang pathogen?
The wind.
Okay. An excess of yin is characterized by an aversion to,
Cold.
yeah. Which dietary items can contribute to a yin excess?
Dairy.
Yes.
Cold.
Pero mahilig pa rin tayo, no?
Yes.
Hallmark symptom of yin excess is cold extremities that cannot be warmed by which therapy?
The warming therapy.
What is the primary treatment approach for a yin excess?
To sedate.
Yin excess?
Kasi,
Sobra yung yin.
too,
You have too
too
warm.
warm.
Warm ba?
Yes.
Any answer, Sir Rogelio? Too warm, diba? Kasi grabe yung yin.
Warm
Yin excess is so lamig.
before. Warm before.
That's why you can do moksa for those people na manas yung paa, no? Which action is not included in the definition of sedation?
Enhancing.
Yes, enhancing. Where is moxibustion applied to sedate excess yin on the upper part of the body? Naku, medyo mali tayo dito. Wait lang ha. Yeah, primary treatment approach kung yin excess. Uy, sorry ha. I'm so sorry. Let's go back to number 70. Remember, this is pala yin excess. Ha? So that
Sedate.
means it's not deficiency, you sedate. Sorry, guys.
Sedate before.
Sedate kasi excess eh. Excuse me.
Oo nga pala kasi.
Yeah, oo, medyo na-confuse ako doon. When you warm pala, walang nag-comment ah. When you warm, when you warm, you're adding something. So that means it's yang deficiency. So please do not confuse yang deficiency with yin excess. So for anything that is in excess, you sedate. Do you agree, Sir Romeo? Or lalong na confuse? So it is so
Anything, wait, Doc, so anything excess is sedate.
should be
Diba?
sedated. Yes, anything. Yeah,
Excess. Any yin or yang excess.
yes.
Okay.
Of course, you cannot. Yeah, yin excess siya eh. Hindi siya yang deficient. So do not think that yin excess and yang deficiency are synonymous. No. Okay. Any comments?
But deficiency tonify, tama.
Yeah. Tama pala. Sorry ha.
It's okay.
Confused ako.
Ako din mali.
You know, every time kasi when I see yin excess, i-sedate mo muna yung yin. Okay, where is moxibustion applied to sedate excess yin on the upper part of the body?
C6 point.
Yes. C6, that's actually
C
do 14, no? 214 ba yan? Basta dyan. Which herbal
at
soup
the
is,
base of the skull.
yeah, at the base of the skull? That area to sedate is yin. Okay. Which herbal soup is recommended for sedating yin excess?
Onion, dry chili, and fresh ginger.
Okay.
Onion.
In clinic speak, what term is used for the pattern diagnosis of yin excess?
Excessive cold.
Yes. Yang deficiency is also referred to as which type of symptoms?
Deficient cold.
Yeah. Which of the following is the common sign of yang deficiency?
Cold extremities.
What pulse characteristic is associated with yang deficiency?
Deep, weak, and slow.
Yeah.
Deep, weak.
Deep because it's deficient. No, I'm sorry. Weak because if it's deficient, it should be weak. So pag kulang siya sa yang, it's deep. Okay.
Yeah, kasi
Tongue description matches yang deficiency.
pale body with teeth marks and moist white coating.
Okay, moist. What is the primary treatment method for yang deficiency?
And deficient tonify.
Tonify, kasi kulang, no?
Yeah.
Which points are commonly used to tonify on the lower trunk for yang deficiency?
Run 468.
Okay. You apply moxa there, no?
Yes,
What
position.
material, painitin mo lang. What material is placed on run A before applying moxa for tonifying yang deficiency?
Fresh gingerbread needle hole.
Okay. Which therapy can relieve the symptoms of yang deficiency?
Warming.
Ito na yun. Yang
Yeah, the warm.
deficiency.
The fish. So you warm.
Overworking in the
Overwork.
context of yang deficiency usually refers to what behavior?
Excessive sexual intercourse and masturbation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Overwork. Which of the following is a typical
Over-
state of yin deficiency?
Night sweats.
What pulse type is associated with yin deficiency?
Deep, thin, and fast.
Okay.
Deep, thin.
Yeah, deep thin. Payat.
Fast. Tsaka
So definitely number 2 is wrong. Pwede naman siya maging weak, pero hindi siya slow. No?
yeah. Yang deficiency.
So mali na rin yung 3 and 4. Deep, thin, fast. How is the tongue described in yang deficiency?
Yin. Thin body, little coating, possible cracks.
Okay. Yeah. Yin deficient, so payat. Little.
Thin coat,
Actually, when you say yin deficient na, parang wala na siyang coat, no? O konti na lang talaga yung coat.
possible.
Which acupuncture points are used to tonify and nourish yin?
Kidney 113, spleen 5, bladder 52 and 43.
Okay. Kidney 1, kidney 3. So, yung mga yin deficiency patients, no? Spleen 5. Okay. Bone soup is recommended primarily for its content of which mineral?
Calcium,
Excessive yang manifests as which type of symptoms?
excessive heat,
Okay. Excessive yin manifests as which type of symptoms?
excessive cold,
How is an acute disease defined in terms of duration?
less than 3 weeks.
Mhm. Chronic conditions are always associated with which type of pattern?
Deficiency,
Good. Which point located at the base of the skull is used as a dew point for sedation?
C6.
C6.
2, 4.
What does the term mirror coat refer to on the tongue?
The absence of coating,
Which symptom is not typical of yang deficiency?
called night sweats,
Okay. Which condition is classified as a yin disease?
depression,
According to feng shui, a front door facing which direction reduces depression risk?
health,
Yeah. Tinan nyo yung ano mo. Baka ano. Baka san. Okay. Which of the following illustrates the interdependence of yin and yang?
light and shadow.
Try daw natin tanungin, no, yung mga depressed. Baka yung front door nila naka-face sa north, no?
North. Or they're facing north.
They're facing north. Okay. Which of the following best describes mutual consumption?
Continuous cycling of energy.
Okay. The principle that yin and yang can be divided unlimitedly suggests what about their nature?
Always dynamic.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Mom Trix.
Thank you, Doc.
Any questions, Sir Rogelio? Do you have any questions?
Wala na, Doc.
Did you like this kind of review? Okay. Maraming salamat po.